In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Scholar profile. We'll walk through the process step by step. So by the end, you'll have a clean, professional profile that showcases your academic work and makes it easier for others to find and cite your research. First, open your web browser and search for Google Scholar. Click on the official Google Scholar link. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a simple search page that looks a bit like regular Google, but focused on scholarly articles, theses, books, and conference papers. Before creating a profile, make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for your academic identity. Ideally, this should be your institutional account from your university or research organization, especially if you want to use an institutional email address for verification. Once you're signed in, look in the upper left or upper right area of the page for a link or button labeled My Profile. Click on that. If this is your first time setting up a profile, Google Scholar will guide you through a short setup process. You'll be asked to enter your name. Use the name you publish under, including middle initials if that's how your publications usually appear. Next, you'll see a field for your affiliation. Type the name of your university, research institute, or organization. Try to use the official name, as this helps with consistency and discoverability. You'll also be prompted to add your email for verification. If possible, enter your institutional email address. This step is important because it adds a verified badge to your profile, which increases trust and signals that your work is connected to that institution. Then, you'll see a field for your areas of interest or research topics. Add a few concise keywords that describe your main fields, such as machine learning, environmental economics, or early childhood education. These keywords help others in your field find your profile and related work. After that, Google Scholar will try to suggest publications it thinks belong to you. Carefully review the list it presents. Select the articles that are actually yours and deselect anything that's incorrect or belongs to someone with a similar name. Take your time here. Cleaning this up now saves trouble later. Once you confirm, your profile will be created. From here, you can adjust settings for how new articles are added, upload a profile photo, and double-check your information. When you're happy with everything, your Google Scholar profile is ready to share and use in your academic life.